For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a solar panel business offers a chance to tap into the growing demand for clean energy solutions. To succeed, you need a clear roadmap, from understanding the market to launching your services. Using free AI tools can simplify this journey by helping you research, plan, and promote your business efficiently. Below is a step-by-step guide detailing how to start your solar panel business with the help of free AI. Step 1. Research the solar energy market. Begin by gathering information about the solar energy industry in your target area. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to quickly summarize market trends, customer needs, and local government incentives. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, "Summarize the solar energy market trends and government incentives in your location." This will give you a foundational understanding to build your business strategy. Step 2. Define your business model and services. Decide what specific services your business will offer. Will you sell and install solar panels for residential customers, commercial clients, or both? Will you offer leasing or maintenance packages? Use AI to generate a detailed business plan by asking ChatGPT. Create a business plan for a residential solar panel installation company targeting middle-income households. This plan will outline your objectives, target market, services, and financial projections. Step 3. Conduct a feasibility study and financial planning. Estimate startup costs, potential revenue, and profitability using AI. You can provide basic numbers or assumptions and prompt ChatGPT with, "Estimate the startup costs and break-even point for a solar panel business serving 10,000 households." This helps you understand your financial needs and set realistic goals. Step 4. Identify suppliers and products. Research suppliers for solar panels, inverters, and related equipment. Use AI to compile and compare lists of reputable manufacturers and product features. For example, prompt, "List top solar panel manufacturers with product specifications and customer ratings." This will help you choose quality products at competitive prices. Step 5. Obtain licenses, permits, and certifications. Find out which legal requirements apply in your area by asking AI. What licenses and permits are required to start a solar panel installation business in your city or state? Ensuring compliance with local regulations is critical before you start operations. Step 6. Build your brand and marketing materials. Create a compelling brand identity using AI-powered design tools like Canva for logos and marketing collateral. Use ChatGPT to write slogans, website copy, and social media posts. For example, prompt, "Write a catchy slogan and Facebook ad copy for a solar panel company focused on affordable energy." This helps you attract and engage customers. Step 7. Develop a website and online presence. Set up a professional website using free platforms such as Wix or WordPress. Use AI to generate content that explains your services and educates visitors about solar energy benefits. Prompt ChatGPT, "Write a 500-word blog post on the advantages of installing solar panels for homeowners." This boosts your SEO and credibility. Step 8. Create a marketing plan. Outline how you will promote your business over the next few months. Use AI to help draft a marketing strategy that includes social media, local advertising, partnerships, and referral incentives. Ask, "Create a 3-month marketing plan for a solar panel installation company targeting residential customers." This plan keeps your marketing efforts focused and effective. Step 9. Acquire skills or train your team. Gain the technical knowledge necessary for solar panel installation or hire skilled workers. Use free AI-powered educational platforms such as Coursera or Khan Academy. You can prompt AI to design a learning path. Create a 4-week study plan for learning solar panel installation basics. This ensures your team delivers quality workmanship. Step 10. Set up operations and customer management. Implement AI-driven CRM tools like HubSpot, Free Tier to manage leads, automate communications, and track sales. Use AI assistants within these platforms to write customer emails or follow-up messages, improving efficiency and customer experience. Step 11. Monitor business performance. Regularly analyze your sales, marketing results, and customer feedback. Use AI tools to interpret data and get improvement suggestions. For example, input your sales data into ChatGPT and prompt. Analyze this sales data and recommend strategies to increase revenue. This helps you make informed decisions and grow. Step 12. Stay updated on industry developments. Keep your business competitive by following new solar technologies and market trends. Use AI-powered news summaries and alerts by asking. Provide weekly updates on solar energy technology advancements and industry news. This continuous learning helps you adapt and innovate. By following these steps and harnessing free AI tools throughout the process, you can build a strong foundation for your solar panel business. Combining technology with dedication will help you meet customer needs and contribute to a sustainable future. If you want, I can help you craft specific AI prompts or templates for any of these steps. Would you like to start with a business plan or marketing content? That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.